Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing healthy Sabudana Khichdi recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. To make Sabudana Khichdi, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup of Sabudana. Sabudana is also known as Sago or tapioca pearls. Into this I'm adding in some water and I'm washing and rinsing it a couple of times. So you need to do this process at least 3 times, and when you're doing this, make sure that you're rubbing the sabudana like this so that the starch is released. It's ideal to wash and rinse it at least 3 times or until the water runs clear. I have rinsed it about 3 to 4 times and I'm adding in some water, and you can see that the water has now become clear. So you need to make sure that the water is clear before you start soaking the sabudana. And now I'm going to strain the water. I have strained the water completely, and into that I'm adding in 3/4 cup of water. Note that the water should be just above the sabudana. So this is how it should be soaked. The water should be just above the sabudana. Now I'm going to cover it with a lid and allow the sabudana to soak for at least 4 to 6 hours. If you're planning to make this for breakfast, you can soak it overnight. If you're planning to make it as an evening tea snack, you can soak it in the morning. So anywhere between 4 to 6 hours or overnight soaking will be ideal. About 4 hours later, the sabudana has swelled up really well, and you can see that it has absorbed all the water. So there is not even a single drop of water in the bottom. All the water has been absorbed by the sabudana. You can see the sabudana is non-sticky, and when you press into a sabudana, you can see how soft it is. And now the sabudana is ready to make khichdi. To make the khichdi more nutrient dense and healthy, I have already boiled a medium-sized sweet potato. Now instead of sweet potato, you can use 2 medium-sized boiled potato. So I'm just peeling off the skin of the sweet potato. Sweet potato is a good source of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Sweet potatoes contain 2 types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Sweet potatoes are also known to promote good gut health. Next, I'm cubing the sweet potatoes, just slicing into the boiled sweet potato and slicing into small bite-sized cubes. Okay, I have cubed the sweet potatoes and I'm keeping it aside. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 1.5 tablespoon A2 desi ghee. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in 1/2 cup peanuts, and I'm lightly roasting the peanuts on medium flame. Roasting the peanuts in A2 desi ghee will give an amazing flavor to the khichdi, so try not to skip this. Once the peanut starts to crackle and has started to roast lightly, I'm adding in a fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Give it a good stir and remove the peanuts from the kadai. Into the same kadai, I'm adding in another 1/2 tablespoon A2 desi ghee, and once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, also known as jeera. Once the jeera splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in a sprig of fresh curry leaves, 3 green chilies, and 1/4 inch ginger sliced. Give it a good stir. A couple of minutes later, add in the cubed sweet potatoes. Give it a good stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Stir well. Allow the sweet potatoes to roast for about 2 minutes on low flame. A couple of minutes later, I'm adding in the soaked sabudana. Add in the roasted peanuts and give it a good mix. Cover and allow the sabudana to get transparent. 2 minutes later, open the lid. I'm adding in about 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. You can increase or decrease black pepper powder to suit your taste. And give this a good mix. Lastly, I am squeezing in one whole lemon. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and turn off the flame. Once done, serve to a plate. And my healthy Sabudana Khichdi is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.